Hi, students. Myself, Professor Jitendra Ingre, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Navgar Bhayandar East. Topic: Grammar. In it, today we will discuss active voice and passive voice. Course outcomes: formulate grammatically correct sentences. Student able to change the active and passive voice in specified passage. Student can apply the relevant voice in a formal communication for the given passage. These are the learning outcomes student will achieve after completion of this topic. Students, we have already discussed the active voice and passive voice of assertive types of sentence, interrogative types of sentence, and imperative types of sentence. Also, the rules of transferring sentence from active to passive voice we already discussed. How the verb and how the verb is changed from active to passive. Also, how the subject and object interchanging their places. Also, in interrogative types of sentence, how to delete the primary helping verb, what is the position of WH words, and also transferring interrogative sentence, imperative types of sentence, let be structure, etc. Means the different types of rules we already understood and we are very much aware about it of transferring active to passive or passive to active. So students, here are some examples of voice is given. We must transfer this sentence from active to passive and passive to active in given situation. So number 1, I sent the report yesterday. In this sentence, assertive types of sentence is given and simple past tense is used. So we know that if simple past tense is used, so transfer was plus V3 is used. Also, it's a assertive type of sentence, means subject take place as object, object take place as a subject. So let us see how to transfer the sentence. In this sentence, subject I sent verb and the report yesterday is the object. The report is the object. The sentence begins with the word report. The sentence was, in the sentence simple past tense used, so was and were is used for helping verb of that respective tense. If the subject is singular, so we use was. So was sent by me yesterday. I transfer into me. Yesterday as it is remain no change. So passive sentence is the report was sent by me yesterday. Number 2, the restaurant was renovated by me in 2004. In this sentence, the restaurant was renovated means this was renovated, already passive verb is used. So this is the passive voice we must transfer in active voice. Though was renovated, the passive verb of simple past tense is used, so we transfer into active voice of simple past tense. I renovated the restaurant in 2004. The girls were singing songs when I went into the hall. The song were being sung by the girls when I went into the hall. Number 4, by whom was she taught French? Interrogative sentence is given. So by whom is the subject, was taught simple past tense used, and French is the object and question mark is given. So we transfer the sentence by whom transfer into who, was taught transfer into taught, and she transfer into her, and French remain as it is. Who taught her French question mark? Who taught her French question marks? Means this passive voice transfer into active voice. Number 5, I will clean the house every Saturday. Okay, assertive types of sentence is given and simple future tense is used. The house will be cleaned by me every Saturday. The house will be cleaned by me every Saturday. Active to passive. Let the door be shut. Okay, let the door be shut. Passive voice is used in the sentence. It's an imperative type of sentence. So while transferring such sentence into active voice, we remove the let be structure and remain keep the sentence verb plus object. And we already know that in a imperative sentence always V1 is used plus object, means imperative sentence begins with the verb into first form. So let's see this how to transfer passive voice to active voice. Shut the door. Okay, the sentence is let the door be shut, transfer to shut the door. Number 7, the grammar is taught by us by Professor Gokhale. Again the passive voice is given, simple present tense is used in the sentences. The Professor Gokhale teaches us grammar. Number 8, the publisher had printed the book. The publisher had printed the book. Had printed. Past perfect tense is used. It's a active voice, so we transfer into passive voice. The book had been printed by the publisher. The book had been printed by the publisher. He will be forgiven by the teacher. Okay. Again, the passive voice is used of simple present tense. The teacher will forgive him. Passive voice transfer into active voice. In the first sentence, will be forgiven, the passive structure is used. He is the subject and by the teacher also object. So while transferring in passive voice, the teacher will forgive him. He transferred to him. The fire destroyed the whole forest. In this sentence, active voice is used and the verb destroyed, simple past tense is used. So how to see the transfer into passive voice? The whole forest was destroyed by the fire. The whole forest was destroyed by the forest. Number 11. The two ministers are singing the treaty. The two ministers are singing treaty. Are singing, present continuous tense is used and it's a active voice. So while transferring this sentence into passive voice, we need additional helping verb, that is being, because we want to keep the flow of the sentence, that is continuous tense, remain as it is. The treaty is being sung by the two ministers. The treaty is being sung by the two ministers. Number 12. Mary generously donated money to the homeless shelter. In this sentence, active voice is used. We transfer into passive voice. The money was donated generously by Mary to the homeless shelter. The money was donated generously by Mary to the homeless shelter. Number 13. Susan will bake the dozen cup or cupcake for sale. Will bake. Simple future tense is used. It's a active voice. The 2 dozen cupcake will be baked by Susan for sale. The 2 dozen cupcake will be baked by Susan for the sale. Number 14. Who ate the cookies? See, it's a interrogative types of sentence. Sentence begins with who. We already know that if WH word is used, so it will remain as if it, but who or whom is used. So who transfer into by whom, and whom is given to whom transfer into who. That is, the who is deleted, at the place of who we use by whom. Though ate is a simple past tense is used, so was eaten, word transfer into was eaten. So see how we transfer a sentence. By whom was the last cookie eaten? By whom was the last cookie eaten? Question marks. Number 15. Will your brother pay your fees today? Remain active voice. So your fees will you active voice, and the sentence begin also, sentence is also remain in a interrogative types of sentence. So as we know that will is given, so there is no change. Will, the sentence begin with will. Will the fees be paid by your brother today? Will the fees be paid by your brother today? Question mark. The director will give you instructions. The sentence remain in a simple future tense. It is an active voice. So let us see how to transfer the sentence in passive voice. The instructions will be given by the director to you. The instructions will be given by the director to you. Number 17. Who did this? By whom was this done? The sentence begin with WH word who, did is a main verb used in sentence, this is object, and last question mark. So transferring this sentence into passive voice, by whom was this done. Number 18, let this post be advertised. It's a passive structure of imperative sentence. So transfer into active, advertise the post. Let be structure is removed and this passive sentence we will transfer in active, advertise the post. The answer is advertise the post. Number 19, the kangaroo carried her baby in her pouch. So in this sentence active voice is given, we transfer into passive. The baby was carried by the kangaroo in her pouch. The baby was carried by the kangaroo in her pouch. Last, it is 20. The robber has been caught by the police. The robber has been caught by the police. In this sentence, passive voice is used, and such passive voice transferred to active voice. The police has caught the robber. The police has caught the robber. So students, okay, these are some examples of voice. We very well solve this example from active to passive. All types of sentences are also covered in it. That is statement, that is assertive, interrogative, imperative, let be structure, etc. All such types of grammatical usage, okay, we have already using in this voice and solve the example. So I think you all of us very well or very much understood this topic. You do not have any problem regarding transferring the sentences from active to passive and passive to active. In future, you will solve any kinds of examples of voice or any types of sentence, that is assertive, imperative or interrogative, etc. So, thank you.